Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming where your Xenoverse 2 save lives and why that matters. Platform formats differ. Once done, back up the original to cloud or an external USB so you have a recovery point. Make sure to find the exact save file or folder, Steam's user data or console backup path, and note file sizes and timestamps. This prevents version mismatch later. Now copy the save to a working PC folder. Don't overwrite anything yet, because you'll inspect and convert next. You'll now convert, and if necessary, edit the save so the target system accepts it. Use a trusted Xenoverse 2 save editor or conversion tool to change platform-specific fields like user ID, timestamps, and checksum, because formats vary. Once converted, validate file integrity and fix any mismatches. Editors often recalculate checksums automatically, but confirm. Then perform a small test transfer, just one character or one costume, and load the game on the target system to verify. You finish by putting the converted save into the target system's save location or restoring it from cloud storage, and then start the game in offline mode to avoid sync conflicts. Load the profile, inspect characters, inventory, and story progress to confirm everything transferred correctly. If something goes wrong, stop. Restore the original backup immediately. A key troubleshooting tip. Compare checksums and file sizes between source and converted files. Mismatches indicate conversion errors, so retry with adjusted.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.